Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to make communication in terminal using some peer-to-peer technology. For this case, we will use Node.js. So this Holepunch stuff is only supported for Node.js, not work in browser. What is Holepunch? Holepunch provides a collection of small JavaScript modules that can combine to create variety of peer-to-peer application. It will start from VPN to communication tool. So if you interested about the peer-to-peer technology and you are not believing the server to send message to your friend or making communication, so at this time Kit is a good option. You can go to the browser, you can search kit.io, or you can do in Play Store and you can search their Kit, then you can get application. So that's a nice application for communication, that's also secure. One thing is interesting is there in Kit, if you upload 1 GB to 1 TB file, it will not uploading fast, then it will send to your friend. So when you click on upload, at this time without uploading, it will start to receiving in your friend side. So that's the nice thing in Kit, and the more thing is that is the Holepunch technology. So in the Holepunch technology we can divide in four part, that is networking, core data structure, file management, and collaboration. Okay, so networking thing, that is hypersum DST, that can help to make communication between two peer. Okay, we will in our project mostly we will use hypersum and hyper DST, and the data structure mainly it is used, that is hyper core, core store, and hyper-v. And for file management there is three module, that is hyperdrive, local drive, and mirror drive. And using all those technology there is make autobase. Okay, we will see one by one, that's required in this project. Mainly we will do in next video, that is hypersum and hyper DST, and we will see how the peer-to-peer networking is work. Okay, so that's it for today video. I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.